Hi everybody, this is Leah of seejanedrill. Now I know you're looking at a nail and it's got a bend in it. You can drive a nail that has a bend. Because a lot of people think that once you get that bend in a nail, it's just time to pull it. And the truth is, it's easy to drive a bent nail. Now you may think that it makes sense to hammer the nail from this side to like counter the bend, but actually you want to strike the nail here on the same side the bend is.